Hello, year three. Welcome to your next maths lesson. Now, before we begin, let's just check if we've got these three things. So let's see if we've got our maths book, a sharp pencil, and a ruler. Pause the video if you need to get any of those three things now. And also, let's just look at these two logos here. Make sure we're looking at the top right-hand side of our screen to see whether we're listening or whether we're doing an activity. Okay, so today we're going to explore scaling, and I'm going to explain what that is a bit later on. So before we begin, let's just write down the date and learning objective, and then I would like you just to have a go at this activity below. And once you've had a go at this activity, I would like you to write different ways of representing what double means, what doubling means. Okay, so have a go at that now. Pause the video. Okay, right, let's go through the answers then. So, double 15 is 30. 15 times 2 is 30. Double 25 is 50. Double 35 is 70. And double 45 is 90. Well done if you've used partitioning for this. That's quite a good way of quite a simple way of working it out. Anyway, well done if you did it in your head as well. Fantastic if you've done that. So the second bit I told you to do was write different ways of representing what double means. Okay, and we know firstly that double means timesing by 2, doesn't it? So that's another way that we understand what doubling means. And another way that we could understand doubling or understand what doubling means is that doubling is making the number twice the size. So as you can see here, we've doubled 15, and 15 twice its size is 30. Just like 15 times 2 is 30, and just like double 15 is 30 again. These are just different ways of just different ways of saying we can times by 2. Okay, super. So as you can see here, this is a listening slide, so pencil down and eyes on the screen. Look at this boy here. We can see that he's made 3 snowballs. This girl here says she has made twice as many snowballs as the boy. Okay, have a think quickly. Don't write anything down. Just have a think. Is she correct? Maybe count the snowballs to help you. Well, let's find out. So, the boy had 3 snowballs, like he said. If you counted up, the girl had 6 snowballs. We know that double 3 is 6. Okay, and we can see that in different ways here. So 2 times 3, again, the same as double 3, is 6. Ooh. 6 is twice as many as 3. So again, can you see we're using different ways of saying that 3 is doubled? 3 is times by 2. 6 is twice as many as 3. Brilliant. So this is stuff to take into account. Definitely when we're reading some worded questions, and it might be worded slightly differently. It might be worded saying this number is twice the amount of this number. So we know we need to, when we see that, we know we need to times by 2, or we know we need to double it. Okay? Right. This is a little activity for you to have a go now. Billy has 5 snowballs. If Eva, let's go here, has twice the amount of snowballs, how many would she have? So pause the video and have a go at doing that now. Okay, right, let's go through the answers then. So, Eva has twice the amount of snowballs, and I've drawn this out here. Can you see? She has one lot of 5 and another lot of 5. We've doubled the amount that Billy has. And altogether, Eva has 10 snowballs. If you count them, there are 10. We could draw this in different ways, remember? 2 times 5, which is the same as twice the amount of times, is again 10. Can you see we get the same answer? And again, 10 is twice the amount of 5. Okay, 5 groups shown twice. Right, another activity for you to do now. I would like you to complete the sentences using the words below. Can you see these 3 red words here? I would like you just to fill in the gaps using the words you think are correct. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at doing that now. I would like you writing them in your book. Okay, so nice and neat in your book. I want to see you joining your letters, making sure that you've got really nice work. Okay, so have a go at doing that now. Okay, let's go for the answers then. So, first sentence. If we multiply by 2, the answer would be blank as big. So, if I'm looking here, like we just discussed, I believe if we multiply by 2, the answer would be twice as big. If we multiply by 3, the answer would be 3 times as big. Okay, can you see we can use this as a way of describing times by 3 as well? Okay, if we're timesing by 3, we're making something 3 times bigger. If you multiply by 5, the answer would be, oh, we've only got one left now, 5 times as big. Brilliant, well done if you got those correct. If you didn't, let's make sure we've swapped our answers around and got the correct answers, because that's what we want in our work. We want to have the right answers so we can remember and we can learn the right thing. Okay, right, another activity for you then. Eva here has 10 snowballs. We can see that drawn out there. Dora below said she has made 3 times as many snowballs as Eva. Let's not try to count these because there's too many snowballs here to count. Okay, but I would like you to use your knowledge that we've just worked out, and I would like you to try to work out how many snowballs Dora would have if she had 3 more times the amount of snowballs that Eva has. So pause the video and have a go at doing that now. Okay, right. So how many snowballs does Dora have, do you think then? The answer is that she has 30 snowballs. Because 3 times 10, or 10 3 times bigger, is 30. 30 is 3 times bigger than 10. Well done if you got that correct. We can also represent these problems or these calculations using some bar models. Okay, so if we use the question that we just had in the last slide, so Eva has 10 snowballs. Can you see I've drawn it here as a bar model to represent there is a group of 10. We can then draw Dora's groups out like this. Again, she had 3 times the amount of Eva. So we're going to draw out 3 groups of 10, because 3 times 10 is 30. 10 3 times bigger is 30. Okay? Nice and simple. So, another activity for you to do in your books now. Let's use these bar models to show, show how children in year 3 get to school. So we can see that 3 children get to school on the bus. 2 lots of 3 children get to school in a car. And then 5 lots of 3 children walk. So this is the question I would like you to answer. If 5 times more children walk, if 5 times more children walk than children who take the bus, how many of them walk if 3 children take the bus? So use this bar model here to help you. So pause the video and have a go at answering that now. Okay, the answer is 15, because there are 5 times more children walking than taking the bus. But we know there are 3 children that take the bus, so there are going to be 5 times the amount as shown on the bar model. And 5 times 3, 5 lots of 3, 5 times equals 15. Okay, right. That's the end of me talking for the lesson. Now I would like you to try to apply these skills that we've learned in our activities. Okay, so I would like everyone to do everyone up to question 3, and then I would like most people to get up to question 4 and 5, and then there's also an extension as well if you want a challenge. And I feel like most of us could do this extension today. So really have a go at getting through these questions. Brilliant. So I'm going to flip through these questions now. The answers are at the end like normal, and have a go at answering these. I can't wait to see your work on Dojo. And I'll see you in the next lesson.